Hello my dear friends, how are you? Welcome back again to the analysis video. Again we are going to discuss and analyze about the most trending coin of last wave of bull run. So this time we can see that this coin will perform very well. So still if you are not our telegram members, so go and join the telegram channel, or if you want to directly chat with me, so you can contact me on the WhatsApp number is given on the screen. Okay, so let's move on to the coin. So coin is going to be a peanut the squirrel. Peanut squirrel is a very good coin with the 178 million of market cap only, and its all-time high in November 14 2024 is 2.47, and it's almost 92% down from its all-time high. So it is trading on $0.17, and we suggested in premium on the level of $0.12. What will be the target for the coin for the next bull wave? So we will analyze. So there is total supply of 999.85 million only, and minus 30% of volume in last 24 hours. So let's go to the price action. So price action in weekly showing that this coin has consolidating very well on the lower levels or on the levels where it launched. So maybe it will be a range for this, but after the breaking of this range we can see a very good move in the peanut, because the range is formed and this coin is holding. So maybe I think we can get good rally in the peanut for the upcoming time or upcoming days. Next bull wave may, I think it will lead this coin to the at least my target, minimum target for this coin is 0.7576. So maybe weekly analysis suggesting that coin will going to blast in next 2-3 weeks. Okay, so let's move on to the daily. So in daily chart we can see that there is a flattish movement in the peanut, and same thing is happening, and double bottom kind of pattern is made. So maybe I think it is going to new highs. So this will be the resistance for the peanut. So here we can see some time pass or some rejection, and after taking the rejection from this level we can see peanut will fly to the new highs or new levels in the upcoming days. So this is overall, but my target for the peanut, at least minimum I'm expecting peanut to the 0.75. So if you are holding peanut from this level from 0.12, so you can hold peanut, or if you want to buy you can accumulate peanut on the pullbacks. So this is your choice, you can go. And the prediction and the capacity for peanut for this bull wave, I think it can go up to the $5. So $5 to $6 maybe this coin can go, and this coin has potential to go up to there. So this maybe this will be the next Shiba Inu or Dogecoin of this bull wave. So maybe you can accumulate some part of your capital. So if this coin perform, then you will get a very good result. So this is the zone where it is consolidating. After the consolidating I am expecting some good move in the peanut. So this is a very good coin for the future. Let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. I think in 4 hour time frame we have same scenario. So nothing else for that, but we have to see something other things also on the lower levels. So on 4 hour levels we are facing some trend line resistance in peanut. It's a trend line resistance in peanut. So maybe we are facing a trend line resistance in peanut, but it makes a very good bottom. So maybe I think we can see some good upside movement. So from here this will be the deep, so a 67% move. So maybe from here we can expect 0.44. So 0.4445 will be the target, first target. That's overall for the peanuts. So okay guys, if you like the video or analysis, please comment down, and make sure you are member of our telegram channel and WhatsApp channel, so you are keep updating about the coins and the analysis. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next analysis video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care.